So wadau, this is around 2012 2013. Now wakati now she's really facing challenges, her own challenges. Unaona wadau, this is the second part of the Conjestina story. Manze, in Kenya we celebrate our heroes wakati wako at their peak, but we forget them when they are not. Conjestina started facing a lot of challenges, and one of them being mental illness issues. Unaona, I think at a time back then alikuwa diagnosed na bipolar situation, bipolar disorder. Unaona, like she could start seeing illusions. Unaona, angeface hallucinations, anaona vitu haziko. Unaona dawa, even though familia yake ilikuwa inasema like she was really good, hakukuwa affected na the punches during time ya career yake, but indeed alikuwa anaumia. Unaona, so at some point politicians and sport officials will come through, but walikuwa wanapatiana to false hopes na false promises kama venye tumezoea kuona. So wadau, she has been struggling with all these issues alone. At one point she filled stadiums with people cheering her name, but not anymore. But there is a time hadi Conjestina aliletwangwa huku Nairobi kufanyiwangwa checkups and treatments kwa one of the facilities zenye zina offer hizo services. I think that is the famously known Mathare Hospital. But you see, once umepeleka mse rehab na ukamrudisha back to the same place, definitely kutakuwa na relapses kwa process yake ya kurecover. Unaona, I've seen that also in one of my people in the villages. Mse fulani alikuwa anavuta bangi too much, after amepelekwa rehab na bangi na pombe, akarudishwa kwa the same mood, wakidania like he is a changed man, and it ended up being now worse than venye hata alikuwa at the beginning, you see. So wadau, it's high time that sisi kama our own people, we should celebrate them and remember them at the same time yenye wanatuhitaji. Unaona, she's now doing quite not bad, but not at the best or at the peak yenye tungeweza expect compared to other fighters wenye Conjestina shai fight now. Unaona, so it means we might be the problem as a country on handling our own heroes. It's something yenye we just have to come to terms with na we change, kwa sababu they are also human beings and they deal with situations zenye ziko much tougher than what we might be seeing. Kwa sababu you see, Conjestina alianza kubecome part za vitu kama content creation. Wase wanaanza kumake content na yeye. Unaona, alianza kwenda viral akirekodiwa in the streets, of which it's not a good thing. Unaona, it's not a good thing to whatever we do with our heroes. May we remember that we are all human beings at the end of the day. And this was the saddest part of the tragic part about the downfall of one of the most or the greatest in the game of boxing for the ladies.